Hi, Mank. First of
Yes,
all,
sir.
congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
It's a great achievement that you have got 32nd rank in the gate.
Ye-
And yeah, I can see that happiness in your face.
Yes, sir.
You tell your rank to your parents.
Sorry.
Did you inform your rank to your parents?
Yes, actually, I was with my mom yesterday when I checked the result.
So
Uh,
you both
she
checked it
was she,
together.
she was actually more nervous than me,
So you got it
and
from your mom immediately.
yes, sir, she was beside me when I checked the result, so she was very happy.
Okay. So I think that is actually what matters more, right?
Yes,
Rather,
sir.
rather than the result, seeing that happiness, I
Yes,
think
yes, sir.
I think that gives you more happiness. Great, man.
Yes.
So which college are you from? So are you working or are you a student? I mean, are you
I'm
doing
fr- I'm
something?
fr- I'm a student at KJ Somaya College of Engineering, Mumbai.
Okay.
I'm in the fourth year.
You are in fourth year now.
Yes, yes, sir.
So you started your preparation in your third year.
I started my preparation in May 2020. Actually, I was worried about the placements. The placements were going to start. I hadn't thought about doing masters or anything. I just thought that due to this COVID situations, I might not get a good placement as much as I have planned. So from May, I started my preparation, and I didn't pay attention much to the placement because I thought that once I get into a good college in MTech, the placements will follow. So I left the
Did you sit
placements
for
then.
placements or you didn't sit?
I did an internship in a college in a company. I got a, pre-placement offer from there, so I did not have to sit for the placements after. But that was not a good package, so I had to go for masters.
That's great. So now where are you planning to join? IISc or
I'm
IIT Bombay?
I'm planning for IIT Bombay.
Okay, great. So have you I think application is open, right? For
I don't know. Yes,
IIT Bombay?
yesterday I checked the COAP site. It was not open yet yesterday.
Okay, it is not yet open. Okay, great, great. So still you have time. So now you are in final year and you got a gate rank, and it is confirmed that you are going to join IIT Bombay, and so you need not do project or you need not study, actually give exams of your BTech. So now you have time till what? August.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you are lucky, the colleges will not open this year also, and it is just work from home, college from home, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are having a lot of time, free time. How are you planning
Yes,
to
sir.
spend the free time now?
Sir, currently I'm just doing my full last year project, sir. It's very hectic actually because due to the gate I had just kept the project studies everything aside. So now I have to rush into the project.
Anyway, there is no need, right?
Yes,
So, if you GATE is actually the final last exam that you have to take seriously in life. And
yes,
once
sir.
you crack it, I think I made this video also. I told you in the video to earlier on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
If you crack GATE, no other exam is actually really that important.
Yes, sir.
BTech exams or MTech exams or campus exam and interviews. Nothing is
Yes,
actually that serious, right? So from now on, it
yes,
will just be a cakewalk. And yeah, in IIT Bombay, the coursework is not going to be too hectic also. You can easily manage, right? So great. Fine. So how many hours did you prepare for GATE?
initially when I started the preparation, I was doing internship as well.
Hmm.
So that time I could manage 4 to 5 hours a day. And so after the internship was over, the college started. But college, obviously, I didn't pay attention. I didn't attend the lectures. And that time I got to prepare 6 to 7 hours. And in the last 2 months, I tried, but could not be successful. But I tried to prepare for 10 hours at least. But I actually managed 7 to 8 hours. But 10 hours was not possible because they regularly there were college assignments, exams, and all.
Great, great. How did you write the notes while watching the videos? Did you have short notes and long notes, or did you make only one
Yes,
note sufficient?
while watching the videos, I made the long notes,
Hmm.
and later while revision or while when I took a test in the test series, So in the test series, I used to make some silly mistakes or anything. So or many a times I get to learn new concept from the test series. So that all concepts I used to write in short notes. So
Okay.
that short notes matlab, I tried to read very regularly. Long notes I could not read that much frequently. Short notes I kept on revising regularly. So I didn't repeat the same mistakes again. And also some new key concepts that are learned from the tests and not from the videos.
Got it. Got it. So, yeah, the intention of the test series is if there is anything that is missing in videos, we generally cover it in test series, right? So you learn more also. And how was your performance in test series? Was it too bad? And sometimes did you get any disappointed?
Yes, initially when I started in June, the test series, I I also failed in some topic-wise tests, but later it kept on improving. And when the full-length test started, I kept an average like 70 to 75 marks. And in later, the last 5 to 6 tests, I scored consistently above 80. So I was confident to score 80 in GATE, but I made 4 to 5 marks silly mistakes. So that 4 to 5 marks I lost.
Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. You wanted to join IIT Bombay and you got
Yes,
IIT Bombay, right?
yes, sir.
Even if even if you get a better rank also, you are going to do the same. So it doesn't matter
Yes, sir.
now. So don't regret about it. But I think you are going to remember those four questions throughout your life.
Yes, sir.
So that happens. So whenever someone makes silly mistakes in GATE exam, they generally remember it for a lifetime. I think even I remember my mistakes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not regretting about the big mistakes because I was sure that 1 or 2 big mistakes will happen. But silly mistakes actually, after the GATE, I regretted a lot that so simple question I couldn't solve.
Yeah, yeah. So, but anyway, it turned out well for you.
Yes, sir.
And see, we have a program called Iconic, and in that Iconic program, we assign a person like you as a mentor to a student who is preparing for GATE, right? And it will be like your guidance will be very valuable for them, your experience, guidance, and all, right? And even you like that work, you will be guiding a lot of students. And one other advantage is you'll also get paid with a very handsome amount, right? So in case if you have time and if you want to join our program as a mentor, right? And also if you like to teach some topics on YouTube, so you can actually do that, okay? So please let me know whenever you have time and you can actually keep doing it. And also try to keep visiting my YouTube channel as a guest faculty and or at least give some tips for the students, right? So you can make some short videos, long videos, as
Yes,
long as
sir.
they're helpful for the students, okay?
Yes, yes,
If
sir.
you want to say something to the students, you can actually tell that, okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
So you can just make a short video and send it to me. I'll post it in the YouTube channel. You can send a tip like, how to prepare for this computer networks, how to prepare for CO, right? And how to
Yes, sir.
prepare for test series, when to prepare start test series, right? So
Yes,
all these
sir.
things you can share. So when is the ideal time that you should anyone should start ideal time for test series? What do you think?
Uh, the I think May, June is the right time to start a test series.
Okay.
So I started the test series in June, and in 2 3 months, I guess all the topic wise and subject tests were complete. So then I wrote a mail to you that I'm ahead of the test series, so what I should do. So I want to take another test series. So you suggested me another test series. So I then had 2 test series then. So but your test series was, I guess, much better because other test series there were questions like some questions were difficult than GATE, so they demotivated me a little bit. I got less marks there, and but your test series was at par with GATE, and it helped a lot to keep on the motivation and all.
So even this year also we want to maintain the same standard. See, when we are giving practice questions or test series, the aim is that students should be able to crack GATE. The aim is not to show my
Yes.
knowledge in the test series, right?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes.
I don't want to show that I have a lot of knowledge, and I don't want to make sure that you see my knowledge, right? So you see
Yes,
my
sir.
knowledge in the videos, and you test yourself according to GATE in the test series. That is the intention.
Yes, sir.
And that is what many people are missing out. Many people think that giving difficult questions, very difficult
Yes, sir.
questions in test series actually gives you a good name, but that actually demotivates students, and many
Yeah,
students
yes, sir.
stop preparation, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that's a great thing. And next thing is, how many hours do you think you suggest that anyone preparing for GATE should dedicate according to you?
Consistency is important here. In the last 2-3 months, even if you study 10 to 14 hours, and before that you did not study much, so that will not help that much. So consistently, if you study for 6 to 7 months for 6 to 7 hours also, then it will help a lot. Consistency was my key in this case, because I consistently kept studying from May till the GATE exam, and I did not try to increase my hours much, because that would exhaust me, and the next day I wouldn't be able to study.
So how did you motivate yourself during this preparation? Because I can tell you that GATE preparation is quite hectic, and at times it becomes very, very stressful, and people break down, right?
Yes, sir.
And just
So
give up.
many times I also broke down, like I can't do it. I want a rank in top 100, but it's very difficult. So I used to then check your channel. So your YouTube channel had a lot of motivational videos, and you also came live. I watched all your live streams at that time. You motivated a lot, and you always said that this stress is common. It's nothing new. So keep on doing whatever you are doing. So if you keep on doing the same thing, you will achieve a lot. You said this, I remember that. So that motivated me a lot.
See, nothing worth is actually easy, right? And I can tell you, pressure is actually good. Now, if you see a coal actually gets converted to diamond because of the pressure that it is,
Yes, sir.
kept under. So actually, pressure
Yes, sir.
is good, and it will make you a diamond, right? So
Yes,
from
sir.
coal you can right. So that is what I actually believe, and even I tell students. So yes, things will be stressful, and there will be a lot of pressure, but if you can somehow pass through it, on the other side of it, days will be brighter, right?
Yes, sir.
So great, man. So great talking to you, and thank you for this session. And I will try to do a lot of sessions with you in future. Okay, please
Yes,
inspire
sir.
our students and become a mentor in our iconic program. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you, man. Take
Thank you,
care.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, most of you already know me, but if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Ravindra Babu Raula, and I'll be teaching all computer science subjects, okay, especially GATE subjects, and I'll be teaching all these subjects on Unacademy platform from now on. And if you want my classes, you can register them on Unacademy platform, okay. So there are two types of registrations available. One is called as Iconic, and the other one is called as Plus. So in Plus, you are going to get all the video lectures as well as doubt clearing sessions, right? Along with that, you are going to get the test series also with video solutions. Now, if you want one-on-one guidance, if you want a mentor, then you can go for Iconic. In Iconic, a mentor will be assigned to you, and you can actually talk to him continuously throughout your preparation, and he will see that you are on track. So he will do the activities like giving you the schedule for the preparation, and he will also analyze your test series results, and he will tell you what are the topics that you should focus on. And basically it is a kind of hand holding, right? Either you can go for Plus or you can go for Iconic. Now if you are going for Plus, download the Unacademy app, and in the Unacademy app, when you pay the fee, you have to enter a code, and if you enter the code RRCS, you are going to get 10% discount on your fee, okay. So if you use RRCS, you will get 10% discount, right? And after 10% discount for 1 year, you will be paying 27,000, okay. And if you are in third year, and if you want to go for 2-year course, you can go for 2-year subscription, and the 2-year subscription is 39,000. Instead of taking 2 1-year course subscriptions, you can take 2-year subscription, and it is cheaper, okay. 39,000 is the fee. And similarly, if you want to go for Iconic, right, For 1 year, the Iconic course is 45,000, but remember to use the code RRCS, then only you are going to get 10% discount. Okay, and with 10% discount, the fee is going to be 45,000. And with 2-year course, if you want to go with 2-year course, then the fee is going to be 66,000 for Iconic. Okay, so you can just download Unacademy app. Even if you don't want to pay the fee, there are a lot of free content available. Okay, so there are a lot of free videos available, and along with the videos, there are a lot of quizzes also available which are for free. Okay, so if you just want to see how the platform is, download Unacademy app, use the code RRCS, and you will be able to unlock all the free content. Without the code, you will not be able to unlock it. Got it? And if you like it, you can go for the subscription. Got it? And you can follow me on the app. So if you want to follow me on the app, this is my link, and this is my link. And even if you search for my name, Ravindra Babu Ravula, you'll be able to see my profile and you can follow me. Then you'll get updates about what are the classes I take, what are the free classes, and what are the paid classes. Everything you'll get. Okay. And this is the link for GATE. Okay. Now, when you actually register for the GATE course on Unacademy, you have to select GATE ESC as the category. So they will be asking you what is the goal that you want to achieve. You have to write GATE ESC. Okay, so it is very simple. So you will just figure it out. Okay, it is very intuitive. Download the app and just try to play with it. Okay, thank you.